Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good morning. Well, camera's not working. I checked it earlier, saw it was working. Where'd it go? Is it not even up? What happened to it? Huh. That's wild. See, I know I had it up earlier. See if we can't work on this camera right quick. See if we can't get it fixed. I don't know. Bam. Got it fixed. Got it fixed. All right. Who do we miss? Who do we miss? Sovereignty. Wherefore art thou? I'm here. Coper. Good morning. Clarity. Good morning. Trader 007. Marcin. Robert. Tony. What up? Tech T. Daz. YOLO. YOLO, I need to send them a quick email to get your account over to you. Opening range, 48.5 points today. 48.5 points. Let me send that email right quick for YOLO. Yeah. Forgot. Yes, last night we forgot. We got 10 a.m. news this morning. Let's see. Yep. All right, got that sent. Let's go. Can we go all the way? Good morning, Ro. Where are we going? To the moon? Feels that way, right? Going to the moon? All right, I got this set up already. Let me see if, actually, you know what? That cannot take 20. That can only take 10. Did I save that for 20? Nope. So I don't know why that had M and Q. Let's make sure that's all right. Let's try to go ahead and just put the orders down, see what happens. Yeah, seems okay there. You need to make 720 more to pass TPT 150K. Let's go. What up, AJ? Hopefully today's a day to do it. I don't know. We got an unfilled gap up there, 700. All-time high sitting up there, 780s. Feels like we need a pullback in order to get long, but you know how that works. It could just go up. Who knows? It could just go straight up. Funded's already done for the day. Nice, nice. Let's see here. Let's just double check the news, make sure. 10 a.m. news. It's not even 3-star. We do have Fed Waller speaking at 10 as well. Some oil news at 1. Yeah, it's really it. Let's see where we're sitting on the Tradeify Cup right now. Today is the last day to qualify for the second round. We got some work to do if we're going to do it. Good morning, Tris. A lot of work to do, actually. So we may not make it, but is what it is. We'll give it the best try we got. Sitting at 34.38 right now. You got to be in the top 1,000. So, I mean, I didn't like YOLO it or anything like that. Like maybe some people did. Who knows? Maybe they YOLO'd it. I don't know. Let me see. Wait, show the 1,000. 11,900 in profit. So we got to make about $10,000 today to get there. I don't know if we're going to be able to do that. We'll see. We'll give the old college try. Your short TB at 425. Woof. That's the way down there. Oh, you blew your account first day. Yeah, I've been pretty conservative with mine, I'll be honest. All right, we'll see what happens today. Let's get back over here on this. Let's find something to listen to this morning. Get us some music or something, I guess. I don't think Husk is streaming. One micro, yeah, nothing wrong with that. One micro on the eval. I've not really replenished my accounts yet, guys. I'm waiting until Monday to kind of try to start fresh. Right now we have 2 funded Apex accounts and the challenge account and an account with my funded futures. It's basically it. That's where we're at. That's where we're at right now. One micro P. Let's go. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Enter the giveaway exclamation point MM in the chat. You know what to do. All right. Who do we want to watch? Max actually did not. Good morning, Drunk Trader. He did not throw up all night. They canceled your eval, your swing eval. I wonder why. Yeah, he didn't throw up all night. He's a little more chipper this morning. He's been barking and stuff. So he seems to be feeling better. I did give him the cocktail of medicine they wanted me to give him this morning. He's chilling out. He's over there asleep. He's asleep. My son's supposed to be graduating high school today. However, we have rain. Looks like it's coming in. Futures Trader, what up? Let me see what the weather looks like. Let me check it, see if anything changed. So starting at 2 o'clock, 50% chance of rain. They're having it at 6. It does show 45%, 60, 65, 65, 65, 65. So I don't know. 90% chance of overall rain today, and also 90% chance of rain tomorrow. Yeah. I don't know. Hopefully the weather holds off and they can just get it in today. That'd be nice, but oh, you need some barking. You don't know what to do. Well, Max said he might can help you with that later on. Don't know if he can help you with that now. I don't know what if he can help you with that right now. Let me do this orb long one first. And I'm going to put the long up here. Let's go ahead and put the orders in. Why does it go back to 20? I don't know. See, that's going to screw me up there. Why is it? Hold on. Let me see. It is on 20. That's why. Save template. Save. Yes. Save. Okay. Sell stop. Bam. OCO, even though it really ain't been working lately. Anybody else's Ninja lately doing like a multi-person? It's like order submitted, but it sounds like 5 people saying it at the same time. Kind of reminds me of that movie Dude, Where's My Car? Where they run into the group of women that are from like aliens or whatever. And they're like all talking at once. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. I like the upside a little better than the downside. Why do you think? Well, you got the VWAP, you got the 50, you got the 50 EMA here, you got the psych level here. So I like the upside better here. You got the 21 EMA on the 5 right there at 550 as well. So I kind of like the upside better. The Ninja and the Trade of 8 Web one, oh, they do it all at once. See, mine's only Ninja, but it's order field, order field, order field. Or, all this stuff all at once. All right, let's see here. I mean, the downside's a little scary, but we'll take it, whatever. Good morning, Kasilisk. We're only taking 3 accounts on the opening range trade today. 2 PAs, 2 Apex PAs. And I don't even know how much drawdown I got on one of those. Can't be much. And one account, the challenge account from Tradeify. Probably going to pick up some more Tradeify, some more Lucid over the weekend. Reload on Take Profit Trader, and maybe try to get 3 more Apexes, 3 Buellies. Gonna, the question is, do I go direct to funded on some of those, or do we just try for the evals again? I'm not sure. Probably lean towards trying the evals again. I'm just taking 5 micros on this one Apex account because it only needs $500 to get back to payout. And it only needs $50 days. So I'm just going to go for $100. 5 $100 days, get back to payout. And that's it. So play it smart. We got about 2 minutes left here before open. Like a nice clean opening range trade today. It's been a little tricky this week. A little tricky this week. I got the long up there already. The short's at 55.50. Minute and a half left here. Quan Tower has been a nightmare this week. Yeah, I have no idea. I've heard that weeks. I've saw several people having problems with not only just Quan Tower, also Ninja Trader and um, Trade Evade. All right, we got 1 minute here until open. Just stay inside the range here. Make it easy for me. You've been messing around with market score. I don't really track my trades. DX feed's been having issues. Yeah. I actually prefer the upside here, guys. But again, I'm going to play this mechanically. I mean, we're right into the VWAP, right into the whole number. All right, got the orders on there. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, that was strange. That did not even tag me into the... What? How did that not even tag me in, guys? That did not even tag me into the trade. You gotta be effing kidding me there. Did anybody else have that problem? That did not even tag me in. Okay, I had to take it on the upside. That's ridiculous. That did not even tag me in. Did you guys see that? So not only would that have screwed me, because it, I mean, luckily it didn't tag me in, but that's crazy. It won on the upside too, but like that's crazy right there. How did that not tag me in? Yeah, upside definitely worked. You got a gap up here, guys. I'm gonna start averaging in here, looking for a little gap fill up here. 695s. I'm gonna average into this as it pulls back if it does. That was crazy though. Got to stop break even. Nice. I don't know what happened to the downside there. Like if that whipped out like 20, what, 26 points? I don't understand why that did that. Like I know it was fast, but like that's not it wasn't that fast where you shouldn't even get tagged in. So it worked on the three accounts. I'm up 379 on one PA and 94 on the other. One took it with two minis basically, and the other took it with 5 micros. So you guys can see there. I'm thinking through the high here, I'll go break even. ES is kind of at the high now, though. It was too volatile. You don't even try it open. Yeah. I mean, it's weird how it normally is not like that, though, Jamie. Like, normally you at least get tagged in. It's wild. Might get a pullback here. ES did kind of run the high here. Let's go, Black Beauty. You took some profit. See if we can squeeze back into the 650 here. Excuse me. Morning, Lucky Mon. Don't I like doing races? Yeah, I like doing them. They, for some reason, they've been like super glitchy. Max is better. He's barking this morning. He went out this morning, had a little more pep in his step. He's sleeping right now, but I did give him the cocktail of drugs they wanted me to give him. The cocktail of drugs, if you will. Come on, get through there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit stop to break even on this. Look for that run through the high up there. Gap fill 695. You want to be on drugs too? Every stringer, yeah, for sure, for sure. You're not wrong there. How in the heck did that just reject off that level there? It just pulled back pretty hard. Do I just take this off at the high? I don't think so. I think we go for more. See if it can squeeze on up. I probably should put my stop down here, to be honest. Morning, Rob. Yeah, the cocktail of drugs I gave him, Marcin, I'm not sure you want to be on. I had to use warm water to dissolve a pill. Then I give him another half of another peel and then a whole peel. So I had to put it in some ham this morning for him, and then because he won't eat it otherwise. And then I had to like try to get the little squeezer thing in his mouth to squirt the water down there, and he didn't have it. He wasn't liking it. He took it all, but he didn't like it. I think he took it because I just said, uh, ES holding up here 75.07. Husk got better drugs. Yeah, he does. Yeah. I don't think Husk is streaming this morning. I think he's stuck hanging out with the warden or something. I don't know. Hey warden, if she's watching. Probably not. Hey warden. There we go. Come on. Fill that gap. Fill that gappage. Fill that gap. Fill the gappage. want to see a spike. Spike it right through there. ES got anything holding it up here? Nope. Not really. Spike it through there. Spike it through there. Yesterday I took profit at the 90 level and it just spiked right through there and I felt kind of bad. So today I'm kind of trying to take the close level, the open level. Oh, come on. Let's get through there, bro. I was kind of thinking about taking it off there for the 50 points, but come on, go. I'm going to start to trail here, guys. I'm going to start to trail on that next run into the 90. I want to see it just spike right through there. Just spike, spike, spike. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So it's kind of building into that long there. All-time high sitting up there, 783. At 10 a.m., we might inverse the 4-hour here, guys. I'm going to throw it over to the 4-hour and show you guys. 20 more minutes left. Well, if the 4-hour can load. If the 4-hour can load there. Oh, come on. YOLO, your account is there. What the hell? You hit that long too? Let's go, Tech T. Nice, nice. What is going on here? Pushing up 705s. You can see the all-time high up there, 782. I think that's where it's going. Probably in a hurry and a fast and in a hurry here. How in the hell did my ES chart end up over here? Silver's pulling back. Well, the 4-hour's just not going to load, so I don't know what's going on with it. We'll just load that back up. 2 minute. Passed the TPT 50K today, and you won last week. Let's go, Trust Futures. Good morning, Husk. Where you been, Husk? Ready for the daily payouts. Let's go. Great job. Now the 2 minutes not even loading. Come on, man. Oh, it's doing all this bull crap. Sorry, guys. Trying to get the chart to load, but it's not cooperating right now. I mean, everything else is loaded. Why is this not loaded? Sitting at Christie's house waiting for 11:30. Dang, yeah, the open worked. Oh, Cobra pass. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to move these over here, guys, because it's where they're supposed to be. I don't know what's going on, guys. I'm going to pull this one over for now, just until. This is the NQ though. I don't really want to be trading the NQ. Don't really want to be taking the trade on the NQ here. All right, we're going to try it. Might get wrecked over here on the NQ. All right. Got the 5 points real quick. Yeah, Quantar's yours doing that 2 weeks where it just doesn't want to load. Oh, there we go. Now it's up. All right, let me put my 5-minute back over here now so I can see it. Strong bounce off the 21 EMA there. I think we just go into buy dips mode. I was trying to show you guys the 4-hour chart, but I couldn't get it to pull up. Let me see if I can get it to pull up over here. Nope. Anyways, you have to trust me. If we inverse the 4-hour here, then I think we can just continue higher. Anybody else have a problem? Like, I'm over here trying to watch Barbie on the Fideus channel, but I cannot understand what this gentleman, this guy that she's streaming with, I can't understand him. I'm pretty good at understanding typically like accents and stuff, but kind of tough. He speaks pretty good English. I just think his accent's a little thick. I have a hard time understanding him. All right, do we start layering in the longs again here? What do you guys think? Yeah, I think so. Why not? Start layering in the longs again. If it doesn't work, we'll blame it on Husk. As you do. He's French. He might be. I don't know. His accent's very unique. It's a very unique accent. What up, high trades? Yeah, it seems that if I change any time frames, it freezes everything up. We're going to target basically the all-time high here, but we're going to front run it by 8 points. Because reasons. Reasons. Let me see if I can go to 4-hour on Ninja. Can't really see it as well, though. Yes, pushing up here, 75.15s. Same idea here on this long. I tried to change this chart over here, and it is just not loading. Let me know what can be the solution to get a payout from Bulenox. They refused mine and said that I have some flipping days. Okay. So I don't know your name there, but let me explain it to you with Bulenox. So with Bulenox, the way they calculate flipping days is a little bit different. What they do is, let's say your biggest day is $1,000, your biggest winning day. Well, anything less than 20% of that largest day is considered a flip day. So if every day that's below $200 in profit is considered a flip day. So take your largest P&L day, multiply that by 0.20. That's going to tell you what number you need to hit every day for it to not be considered a flip day. Okay. You can only have 20% flip days. So you'll have to do the math and figure out what number of days you need to get to not have 20% flip days in order to get the payout. Blew your alpha, that sucks. Yeah, patience game, probably true. So that's how they do it. You know, that's how they figure that out. They actually shows the percentage that you're at. So on the home page, Coper says it shows the percentage you're at. Coach, we're talking about Bulenox. Yeah, Coper just had that same issue. You would quickly pass accounts and blow the PA thinking, I forget his name, about switching to 1 to 2 micros really changed my trading this morning. Oh, let's go. Yeah, 1 to 2 micros is nice, is the way to go. Yeah, exactly, Coach Fred. Coper had to she had to make up, what was it, Coper? It was like 20 days Coper had to make up or something like that. Insane, and she did it. So she had to make up like 20 non-flip days in a row or something like that. I think it might have been more than that. And she did it. Yeah, it went from 36% all the way down to 20. So the key there is just stick to what you're doing. Take it slow and you'll eventually get there. What happens is a lot of people just say F it when when they realize that, and then they just end up blowing the account. Yeah, you got a huge buffer too. You're at 54,100 on day 5. Let's go, Coach Fred. Nice. Oh, you just blew your lucid? Damn. That sucks. We did have a short setup up here. I kind of ignored it. I don't know whether we closed above the 4 hour or not, or if we're going to, because I can't see the 4 hour. Oh, you didn't activate the 6 apexes on time? Dang. How is it possible that Top Step TV has too many views? I don't know. there a known field error with Trade C? Not that I know of, but I've never traded with Trade C. Be honest with you, I've never traded with Trade C. Don't know anything about it. I know nothing about it. Bouncing off the 600s here. Probably the 21 on the 5 as well, but I can't see it, of course. Elaborate on what you mean. 1 to 2 micros is the way to go. I would say like go for 100 ticks, so 25 points. When you trade 1 micro, it just gives you more room, right? Like look at this trade here, Frank. I started my long at where? Somewhere up here like 670. If I started with more than 1 micro, if I started with a mini or 3 or 5, there's no way I could still be in this trade. But since I started with 1, I'm able to incrementally add level to level, and hopefully the trade works out for me. Whereas if I was oversized here, I'd already be out for a loss. I'd already be out for a loss. So starting with a micro just kind of gives you a little more flexibility on your stop. Also, think about how many times that you're right in the direction of a trade, right? You're like, oh, I think we're going here, and you're going to buy here, and you think it's going to go there. And you end up being right, but what does the trade end up doing? Instead of stopping there, it comes down here and then goes there. Well, if you're sized appropriately, you're able to hold that trade much deeper in drawdown than you would otherwise. So it just allows you more flexibility on your stop and the ability not to have to be able to panic out of the trade. That's really it. Am I going on a stag do with Sabo? A what? I'm going to go hang out with Sabo for a little bit. So, yeah, exactly, Zach. And you can make a lot of money. You think 25 points is $50? 3 or 4 25-point trades per day, it's all you need. And for example, like if this trade works out, right? You look, I'm taking 20 points on these 2 micros. That's going to be $80 if we hit the target. And then we'll leave a runner for the highs up there. Yeah, we do have small news. Thanks for reminding me of that. Oh, it's the bachelor party? No. No bachelor parties. 0 bachelor parties. Hey, my 5-minute chart finally came back up. We did hit the 21 EMA. Which I probably would have bought. Now if I buy it's probably going to rip through it. And I quickly made $100 on a stab there. A no blown accounts memorial to Labor Day could catch on. That'd be nice to try. I try not to blow accounts, but unfortunately sometimes it happens. It happens. We're holding that 590 pretty solidly. That first bounce off that 21 was so nice. 38 points. ES is kind of below the support level there at 07. Really got to recover that in order to continue higher. Again, we do got some news coming up at 10 here. So, small news. Holding the 90 strong. Remember, guys, we do got a giveaway going on. Exclamation point MM in the chat. We are you can choose between a trader's launch, a Apex, or a My Funded Futures. Those are the options. 1 minute until the news. Is this a bull flag? Is this a 3-candle pullback that Husk likes to target? Is it so, Husk? Is it so? You only accept fast track accounts? Well, good news. We got you. We got you covered. $20 seconds until the news, guys. 20 seconds. Could trigger a bull flag here as well, which would be nice. On the 5-minute. I would like to see the 5-minute close above 630. Let's see. Yep. It's doing it. It's doing it. Okay, I see you. Then the news said nope. Oh, the news just ripped it right back down. That's so dirty of the news. You want to fast track this trade today so you can enjoy the weekend? Yeah. 29,546. Why do you have that marked? I have no idea. That could have been a previous. That might have been a previous something. I don't know. What's the latest on fast track? They said they're going to sue me. So I don't know. That's what they said. Well, that was a bull flag. That turned into a wick eater there. Woof. Let's see here. So we get a quick run back up into the 620s. Need to clear 594 here. If we clear 594, I think we get a squeeze. This is holding good, yeah, for now. A little tricky that it didn't run that 930 opening wick down. It's going to probably run that. I mean, you got relative equal lows down there too. It could pop back up into 620 before it does that, though. We'll see. Got 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. You had a field error on your Tracy account. Cost me 1 account. That's weird. That is weird. Oh, I'm in 5. I didn't realize that. I didn't have enough targets out. Two-minute short would have paid there. It hits the take profit, but instead of filling, it moves your entrance there. That's crazy. 29,447, another previous day close. Yeah, we got the open and stuff down there too. The 450s. Yeah, that's what I would do, Weeks. Just download OBS. So interesting enough, NQ has already ran the that opening wick. MNQ did not, but NQ did. Life is no Nintendo game. Yes is at the VWAP here. Nasdaq already peaked, did a little peak below the VWAP. Yeah, 49 ATR. Yeah, I trades it could dump. It could. We'll see if it wants to pump back up. I mean, well, it's already pulling back, obviously. I could take this off right here and be break even on the day, but I'm gonna let it ride. Let it ride. What up, Alito? Sad day. What are you talking about? The Kyle Busch news or something else? Oh, you lost the day traders funded. I thought I managed to skip all the crazy pump news in the morning. Random Iran tweet got you literally bottom. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, I was long on that news. I got long. I saw that pump and I took it long, but oh, you were 10 points on the position. Oh, you were long too. Okay, I got you. That sucks. Let's see if ES can recover 96 here. That'd be nice. Close 29,447. Yep. I got it down there about 450. Same thing. Just need one little push back up here to get us out. Nothing crazy. See if ES can recover 96 here. That could kind of put us in a push back up mode here for a little bit. Got out for 26 points. Nice, nice. Let's go, Weeks. You started at 520. Yeah, I probably started a bit high, but a bit high. I think if ES gets back above 96 here with some strength, we should be able to get a squeeze going. ES, where's the gap fill on the ES? Let me look. Looks like it's down at 7466. Locked some tendies. Nice, nice. $31 points. Nice. All right, ES is testing 96. If it holds below it, then we're in trouble. It's pushing above it for now. You're in the blind. To close your account, you don't have access to all those footprint datas. Special giveaway on Memorial Day. I will actually be traveling on Memorial Day, so probably not. I'm headed to Myrtle Beach. Yeah, well, Alito, just always get another account. Get another account. I could size down here. We might do that. Let's size down 2 here. The 2 ads, one at 525 and one at 550. So those are for profit. It just means my average is actually higher than it really shows that it is. By sizing down a little bit, we can kind of spread out these profits a little more too. Oh, you lived at Myrtle Beach for a couple of months? Nice. Caught that long room. Let's go. 5-minute morning star or fail. Going to the beach to decompress. That's what we're doing. Visible says Take Profit Trader extended the sale until Tuesday. Nice, nice. I didn't even know that. If ES can pop here, if it pops the 96, I think we get a nice little pop going here, guys. Nice squeeze. So ES has just got to get above 96 and hold. Oh, yeah, no beach. Well, I did also get notification that our passports will be here May 27th. So we'll also be looking for the first week of June to travel to Europe. Florida sunsets on the beach. We were considering going to Florida, but it's about a 5-hour drive to Myrtle Beach from here. We've never been to Myrtle Beach. We're staying in north of Myrtle Beach. So I figure go somewhere we haven't been. There we go. 96 is recovering here on the ES. See if it can keep it going. Can ES test that 7502 area? Can it do it? But we're going to go from Monday to Saturday. So 5, 6 days there, whatever it is. I think it's 5 days. Oh, there's a very large beach resort there. How many people have blown their Tradeify Cups accounts? Rejection off the 96 there, guys. Glad I kind of took a couple off there. I'm currently in 3,317th place. I haven't even been trading it, so. A nice boardwalk. Nice. Can eat at the Pink Flamingo. Oh, shit. Oh, okay, those are okay. Yeah. All right. I thought I had made a mistake there. Oh, yeah, they wanted the KYC. Yeah. Where do we want? 75.16? There we go. Nice move up now. ES is trying to get back to that 16. Back to that 50 EMA, 21 EMA. I'm sorry, 21 EMA there on the 5 minute. Both places are amazing. New York Prime has a sister restaurant in Atlanta. Nice. Cut yourself short. You took a stab long at 560. Listen, Alito, you don't need the whole move, brother. You're good. Just take some of it. Just take some of it. Oh, they need 10-second trades. Who's that? Trade day? Alito? But I think it's average. It's average, right? So should I have just taken, I don't know if I should have just taken this off. I'm not sure. 50%, yeah. That probably was my shot to kind of at least scale out of some of those. See if we can get a push back up here. Can we do it? kind of generating some trend line liquidity to the downside here as well. What up, junk trader? Not holding so far. Probably going to get the gap fill. I used to have a limit on that market. It missed you. I'm trying to be patient here. It likes the $half market, 550. Yeah, it's kind of holding there, huh? Couple of bouncies. I personally think it's probably going to fill the gap down to 450s. Yeah, it feels that way, Trav. Right? It feels like it's just building a little choppy here, a little consolidation to finally go down. But we'll see. I probably should have taken this off on this last push up, and then I could re-enter somewhere lower. Hey, let's go. Nice job, junk trader. Done for the day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it was, Trev. Looks like it's from probably, I mean, I guess, I don't know. Feels like the gap feels coming. I mean, every bearish PD array's been holding so far. Got an inversion up here. We've held this little 2-minute, 5 minutes kind of held. So probably going down here. Yeah, exactly. Gobble, gobble. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe, enter the giveaway, exclamation point MM. All the things. Come on, chat. Show some love. Let's go. All right, about to test the 500. I'm taking little scalps over here on the, still in the long direction, but with like minis at a time. Just scalp 100 here, scalp 100 there to kind of try to make up for this hole that we're in. Decent bounce there. This should be a short setup for the IB play today, so that would probably put us back up in this area if this is going to kind of hold. Yeah. Would actually take us out of all those. Your long here room, nice, nice. That's a good spot to be long. 531 could be a short area. Oil, Earl. Need ES to recover 90 here. Yeah, I trades. I think it's probably coming too, but I think the pushback up into the 600s might happen first. We'll see. Potentially. I mean, really above 550 here, that run into 575 could happen pretty quickly. If we get above 550. That would kind of put ES above 90. Get through the 50 here. ES gets through the 90. We'll be all right. You heard Earl. Yeah. Earl. Earl. Might be an inside buy. Design must be in here. No, I haven't seen him. I haven't seen Design in a while. I don't know where he's been. Where has Design been? I don't know. I mean, are we going to get the pop here? We got a new 15-minute in 2 minutes, or less than 2 minutes. Minute and 16. It will make this an inside buy on the 5-minute. If ES can just pop the 90 here and we get above 50, we might can go. ES test a 90. Can ES pop 90? We squeeze. ES pops 90, we squeeze. It's trying. It's trying. Five-minute close is going to tell us about, yeah, we got 20 seconds. I'm going to reduce size here, guys. There we go. Down to 2 here. Much more comfortable there. Let's go, Alito. Nice job. Under 550, you think we go down? We're hitting the 21 EMA now again. Man, this is a good spot to short. I can't do it, though, because it'd be hedging. Good spot to pick up some points short. 20 points off that 21 EMA on the 5 already. I'm reduced down to 1 here, guys. Just protecting some profits. Up 330 bucks overall. And if this decides to go, we're still in it. Let's go. I am long over here on the ES as well in the challenge account. I'm long from 82.75 over there. A single micro. On the ES, I'm looking for that 75.16, I think. Marking up, drawdown. You think it's recovered? Let's go. If we get a 5-minute close above 580, it'd be very, very strong here. We can do it. 5-minute close above 580 would be a great sign. 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle. Looking pretty solid. Wish I had a little more patience on that long. I didn't quite have the... I tried my best to be patient with it there. Really did. We want to see how we react to this, because this could be a soup area. You really want to see no weakness here, no stalling. You want to see expansion above that high. We don't want to stall here. Ideally, the 5-minute can close above that. 15 seconds. Trailing your long. Let's go. Yeah, for sure, Black Beauty. And I tried my best. I tried. I really did. I tried. I mean, I'm still in it. 1 micro, not big size, but I tried my best to be patient with it. That's a good close on the 5-minute. You don't really want to see a stall here. You really want to see it just go. Although I guess a yes is at the VWAP, so. Blackout News testing your patience too. Yeah. Yeah, we're still in 1. We'll see if we can take it back up to the high. This is the short area, guys, though, for your initial balance. If you're initial balance trader, this is where you would short. This initial balance is set, and we are at 50%. Literally hit it to the tick. And I kind of like the short, I'm not going to lie. Will the short fail? I mean, we do have some short interest below, but it's kind of the question. There we go. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, that it could reject there too, room, but like we're already long. I am overall bullish. Next kind of spot, 640s. I mean, I don't see any reason for this to come back to my entry, to be honest. I could go ahead and just put the stop in, break even here. Exiting your long room. Let's go. 660. Yeah. But you can see there, that's a perfect example of like how micros. I mean, were we $500 in drawdown? Yes. But it's a perfect example how starting with 1 micro allows you to be able to not have to take the loss, right? You can just work your way out of it. Now, obviously, not always going to work like that, but we get below 590, I'm most certainly going to get stopped. Yes, it's not hit 50% on the move back up yet, though. Oh, it did. Never mind. I didn't think it did, just eyeballing it, but it did. 40, 74.97.50. So we are at 50% here of the RTH range. This price action. It's not too bad, Blackout News. I mean, it's readable, right? And that's really, I mean, like, sometimes I would say that's enough. It's readable, right? It's not great, but at least you can kind of get in and get out. Doing good, Lucifer. How you doing? We're green in every account, so can't complain too much. Really struggling up here in the 610 area. I don't really see a reason why, to be honest. Do have a bit of a 2-minute order block here, but done for the week green. Let's go. That's the way to end a Friday. End it early and green. That's a pretty good reaction. Why didn't I hold all those contracts? What's wrong with me, guys? Let's check the weather for tonight. It shows 90% chance of rain for today. He keeps going up with Earl. Yeah. Let's see. 5 o'clock. 45%, 45%, 60, 65, 65, 65. Not looking good. Oh, yeah. And the thing is, I kind of had a feeling the rip was going to come eventually, but unable to hold it. Unable to hold it. $5.90. Yeah, I like that $5.90 play, Alito. I used to play that all the time. Somebody's at $54,000 in private. That's crazy. I'm in rank 3,280 on the Tradify Cup right now. Front run the level and got rewarded. Yeah. Small 5 minutes divergence. We're struggling to get through this area. I mean, if we can pop, I think if we can pop the 650, 660s here. Yes, get above 7504, 7507. We could go. $600 lots at 30K, basically. All right, I moved my target up to 30K. Green Day on evals, 3 to 500. Think I'm going to stop there. Nice clarity. Let's go. Great job. I'm currently up 326 and we're up $115 in this trade. Think how many people were holding for that gap fill, which it still might happen. I'm going to lock some in here, guys. Let's go 20 points. That puts us up 350, 360 on the day. Oh, you scared to do anything? Yeah. Yeah, I thought we might get 30K last week, Alito, and then it pulled back. So it's going to get there eventually. The Black Beauty, the gap's down here at 455. Let's see, we did tap it this morning at 6:30, but I don't consider it filled until it's filled during RTH. I want to see a bullish candle. I want to see a big candle above this area. We need to see one of these. You know? You'd move it to 610? Yeah, I think we get an expansion candle here. Let's see. The Hulk Smash Boner candle. Do we get the Boner candle? The Boner! Good morning, Nike's Bond. Nike Bond? Nikes? ES pulling back here. Man, if the ES loses 93, could be of concern. ES getting a pretty strong bearish reaction to this level. Can she hold? Does trailing drawdown reset the next day if you're above the 25K on the 25K Pro account? No. So basically, the intraday trailing drawdown blackout, you've got $1,500. So if you go up to 25,500 and then you go down to 24,500, you lost 1,000 in drawdown. And it does not reset the next day. So if you're 24,500 the next day, you only still have 500 left. Let's say you went up to 25.5, you went down to 24.5, and then you ended the day at 25. Well, now you got a $1,000 in drawdown left. I feel like I might get stopped out here. You would have trailed that aggressively? Yeah. I mean, I'm okay with 20 points. Potentially. Yeah, I'm okay with the 20 points right now. You know, what I'm thinking is like, what up, Palm Tree? If it can kind of get above 643, I'm expecting an expansion candle. Palm Tree, are you Adam? But conversely, blackout news, once you get above 26.6, then it no longer trails. It's end of day at that point, static. So I expect some expansion here above this level. See a bit of a bigger candle here, if we can get it. Market's taking liquidity on both sides. Makes sense. The desert branch of Pine Tree. I guess one way or the other, right? Just opened in Marrakech, Morocco. Still unable to get above there, guys. Come on. It's not wanting to do it. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, man. Happy weekend. Blackout news. Casablanca? I have no idea. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's a Moroccan city. Nice. How'd you know I didn't know that? Oh, how rude of you to assume I didn't know that. How rude of you. I didn't know that. That's okay, though. I don't claim to know everything. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's better. Well, we're coming up on the top of the hour in just a few moments, so let's kind of see what happens. Consulus could not let many switch time frames. I tried to go to the 4 hour, it wouldn't let me. I mean, obviously the 643, 42 area is pretty important. See if this thing wants to continue higher or not. It's kind of struggling. Are we consolidating here just to get some momentum to the upside? Let's see. Kind of an idiot box here. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. It didn't feel at 35. Dang. Are you trying to get out at 35? A few ticks away. Should go now. There you go. It slapped it. All right, let's say a big candle here. Big candle. Let's go. Push it. Let's go. Come on, rip it. Please trail it up more. I'm in 1 micro, Alito. It's no big deal. I'm in 1 micro. All right, just for Alito, we're going to go 30 points. There we go, Alito. 30 points. Good morning, ladies, from Asylum Trader. Good morning. Alito, I'm holding for glory here. I'm holding for all-time highs. Just add 10 more micros, says Clarity. Tempting, very tempting. Very tempting. Doing our best, Raul. We did not manage this trade greatly, let's be honest. I was in this trade up to 6 micros at one time, and I scaled out for some losses. So we could be up a lot more, but it's all good. What up, Solo? Oh, can we go, guys? Can we go? Top of the hour coming up in 30 seconds. Just one micro step short. Oof. Ponzi, looky out below. Oh, you put in for 30 ticks. Nice. Let's go, Alito. Oh, you saw it at 7,500? Yeah. I am long ES as well. We're long ES looking for 7,507. Oh, we're up, what, 80 points on this trade? 90 points. I can't count. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. I think ES can squeeze here. If it takes us to the 07s, that probably puts us up into that 700 level again. Dun, dun, dun. Pamp it. Pamp it. You've been loading up on the VIX. Yeah, nothing wrong with just walking away, Alito. Do I need a good tan? Maybe. Where's the place, Tori's tan lines? You're content with your profits, Clarity? Nah, you're good. I'm looking for all-time highs, guys. Near 250K in drawdown. Woof. Woof. Yeah, 30K is very close. Mm-hmm. A picture of my dog. Let me see if I have a picture of my dog. Post a picture of my dog. I don't know that I can. There, I don't know if that's fast enough, but I did. Wait. I don't know. It's saying I can't send it. I do know why, man. I do know why. Yeah, Clarity. We're trying to see if we can run it up to the all-time highs. It's on Wall Street. I don't know. It won't let me. It keeps telling me that it gives me an error. Max is doing good. He's fine. Think Husk will put sunscreen on my back? Yeah, yeah, of course. He does that always. He does that always. Yeah, we're up 100 and plus points. 100 plus. I don't know why it won't let me do it. Yeah, I shave Husk back. I get in there with a razor. Would you like to retry? I don't know why it won't post it. I'm not sure. All right, let's see if this thing can get back above 700 here and get some legs. It puts the lotions on its skin. Brazilian would work better for sure. Oh, guys, I'm not even realizing what time it is. Let's do the giveaway. Actually, let's shotgun the giveaway. I didn't even realize it's almost 11:10, guys. I got to be on My Funded TV in 20 minutes. All right, let's shotgun the giveaway. You guys get ready. 1 minute on the clock. And go. Exclamation MM in the chat. 1 minute on the clock. You got 25 seconds, guys. 25 seconds. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the winner is AlleyCat556. Are you here? AlleyCat556. Yeah, Elito. AlleyCat556. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Alleycat, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Please click on the top right-hand corner, screenshot showing me that you're logged in. Let me know whether you want an Apex, My Funded Futures, or a Traders Launch account. And if it's My Funded Futures, please include your My Funded Futures email. Come on, squeeze it up here. You'll take the account solo? Allie's here. Yeah, we'll see, Raul. We'll see. We may hold it through there. I mean, again, I'm trying to hold for the all-time high up here. It'll be a 200-point trade. If we can hold it up to there, we'll see. 150 at 700 still. Looks like it wants it. Looks like it wants it. ES is approaching that 7507. It's kind of losing a little momentum. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me today. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to help support the channel, please use my code MYTH on Apex, 90% off. Code MM on every other prop firm. Take Profit Trader did extend the sale until Tuesday, but you know, if you want to pick up an account, today's the day. So I'll be over on My Funded TV here in about, I don't know, 15 minutes. Let me post the link for you guys right there. Join me over there if you will. We do appreciate it. So enjoy your weekend if you don't see me. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.